Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about table scan in SQL Server. What are the different options that are available in that table scan? We are going to see in today's video. Let's go to SQL Server Management Studio. There we can see the demo. So I have already prepared some script for this today's demo purpose. Let's understand one by one. So I'm using product table for today's demo. Let's execute it. So before executing, let's try to understand, is there any indexes available for this table or not? Okay, so first of all, if you execute this procedure, you will get all the index related information. So how many rows and what kind of index, whether it is clustered index or non-clustered index, and so we are going to see one by one. Okay, now I'm executing this one. Now we can see, right, it means nothing. It means that there are no indexes available for this table. That's great. Now I will try to run this query, and before running this query, try to enable the actual execution plan so that we can get actual execution plan operators. Okay, let's try to execute it. Now you can see that there are 504 rows of data is there, right? Now go to the execution plan tab. Now you can see there are select as well as table scan. Now if we notice, let me expand a little bit so that we can see clearly. Now you can see, right, table scan, and what kind of table it is, product table, and what is the cost, how many rows. So it's 100% cost. And okay, and also if you notice here, see it is representing how many rows are flowing from table scan operator to select. Okay, if you place the mouse over here, it is showing actual number of rows for all executions and estimated number of rows for execution, and what is the size. And also you can see, right click, go to the properties. Same thing, we can able to see at a property section also, actual number of rows as well as estimated number of rows. So this size indicates that the number of rows, I mean, sometimes you'll get a small size, sometimes you'll get more size, bigger size. It means that number of rows variation, then only you will see this one. And also if you place mouse over here, you can see a lot of options like what is the physical operation, logical operation, and estimated IO cost, operator cost, CPU cost, subtree cost. Many options are available. And also we can see what is the object, what is the output list. Object nothing but what object it is executing. So it is showing that product is an object in this query. And also output list is how many number of columns you are returning. For example, if we see the output list, we can see that so many columns are there. Same thing you can notice here. If you notice here, so many columns, same thing it is displaying. And also we can see, just right click. Now we can able to see, right, different options, properties, zoom to fit, custom zoom, zoom out, zoom in, and what is the final node, find a node. So find a node nothing but, if you right click on that, we can see the lot of options within the execution plan. If you want to find any node, so we can use for this one. For example, I want to find a table. Okay, just make it contain and try to type it. What is the table name? Product. Just enter. Now I'll enter. You can see, right, so it is getting the where the product name contains. Okay, like that we can find a node within the execution plan. Even you can see there are many options like actual rows, columns, and a compile CPU. So you can find what are the option it is required, you can find it. Just close it. And also if we go to the properties, same thing, and actual number of rows for all executions, so 504 rows, and what is the CPU cost and IO cost, and number of executions, and what is the subtree cost. So what is the logical operation, physical operation, and a table cardinality, whether this execution is a parallel or sequential. So whether this is ordered, all options we can able to see by right clicking and go to the property, or if we don't want that, just place the mouse over here, we can able to see list of options we can see, right? And also go to the select operator, just right click properties. Now we can see, right? So what is the memory grant info, so what is the optimization level, so trivial, and what is the set options, and what is the CPU time, cache plan size, and a degree of parallelism. It's most important. So if it is one, means it is a sequential query plan, and what is the subtree cost. So likewise we can see able to see a lot of options. Why you got, and one more thing is that why you got table scan, because for this table we did not create any index on this product table, so that is the reason we are able to see the index scan as a operator in the execution plan. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. We'll see different options in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.